Why does your scanner show the P0041 engine code? What does it mean? P0041 is a diagnostic trouble code for 02 sensor signals swapped bank 1, sensor 2, or bank 2, sensor 2. The P0041 engine code for indicate your vehicle's engine computer, PCM or ECU, has detected that the electrical wiring or signals from the downstream oxygen sensors on opposite sides of the engine have been crossed. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Swapped sensor connectors, damaged wiring harness, faulty or shorted O2 sensor, corroded or loose connector plugs, ECU or PCM error. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge, and Toyota. Let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.